Well, howdy there, Internet people. It's Bo again. So today, we're going to do something a little bit different. We have a requested video. The person started off by saying, hey, you're really good at creating compelling arguments that prompt people to action. Yeah, I know when I'm being buttered up, what do you want? And yeah, they wanted something. See, they feel the urgency has been lost. This person, they administer the shot. They administer the vaccine. And right now, there are appointments being missed or time slots not even being taken. The urgency is lost. So I sat there, tried to come up with good arguments to promote the idea of going to get your shot. Thought about maybe they'd let me live stream me getting my second one. Thought about going over the same arguments I used to promote wearing a mask, responsibility to your neighbor, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, all that stuff. Thought about pulling a Trey Crowder and just saying, if you don't get it, you're scared. Or going over the medical information. But the pros are going to do that. I decided on something else. When's the last time you heard a busy signal? Like on a phone, a busy signal. Probably been a while. For me, it's been years. Hurricane Michael was the last time I heard one when all the phones went down. But you can hear one right now. If you call 844-684-6333. Hear a busy signal or be put on hold for up to 9 hours. That's the number you call if you want the federal government to reimburse you for the final expenses of a loved one lost to the current public health issue. There's going to be 500,000 people calling that line. Busy signal. To be reimbursed for the final expenses. But to schedule an appointment for a vaccine, operators are standing by. There's probably an issue with that. Now, if you are going to call that number, if you would like to be reimbursed, to qualify, it has to have occurred in the United States or its territories. The expenses must have been incurred after January 20th, 2020, and the certificate must indicate the cause. It has to be attributed to that or symptoms like that. And the applicant to be reimbursed has to be a U.S. citizen or legal resident. That number, to call and do that, you're going to get a busy signal or be on hold for up to 9 hours. But you can go get your shot and make sure that nobody has to call that number about you. And they're waiting for you. Anyway, it's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.